Good morning and welcome. In this series of lectures, I'm explaining various types of things in R and R Studio. In the previous three videos, I uploaded some videos on introduction to R and R Studio and how to write R scripts in R Studio, how to install R and R Studio. Now I'm going to start data analytics in R. So the first few videos will concentrate on importing data from different formats like we can import data from CSV format, we can import data from Excel format, we can import data from SPSS, we can import data from Stata. Similarly, we can also import data from SAS. In this video, which is video number 544, that is 544, I'll use data from CSV format and I would like to import data into R. So let me first of all open my R. So if I open R for the first time, it will look like this. There are three major areas in this interface. This area is known as console. This area is known as environment, and there are some other tabs in this area that includes history, connections, tutorial, and this area on the right in the bottom, these have tabs like files, plots, packages, help, viewer, presentation, and so on. When you open R for the first time and there is no file, so you would like to load data or import data into R, so that then you can use that for further analysis. Since this video is about importing data, and in this particular video I am going to import data from CSV format into R. So kindly watch this video up to the end so that you could learn how can we import data, and after that, when I import the data, I'll show it to you, and after that I'll save the data. And finally, I would also like to show how can we delete data file from R. So let me start with the importing of data. There are different ways of importing data from CSV into R. So here it is written import data set. So I can import data set by clicking on this, and then R is asking me whether you want to import data from text format or from CSV format or from Excel or from SPSS, SAS and Stata, and I can click on any of these if I want to import data. Another way of importing data is here. That is, if I click on file, then after that it is written here import data set, and it also has exactly the same tabs like text base, text reader, that is to read from CSV, from Excel, from SPSS, from SAS, from Stata. In addition, we can also import data by writing R script. That is a little bit difficult, and only the advanced readers can do that. So we can simply use the simple commands of importing data set here. So let me click on this. Since I'm going to import data from CSV format, so I will click on this, and after that this window opens. So if I remember the URL address, I will write it here, and then after that I will click on import. If I don't remember where my file is, then I can click on browse, and I can go to the place or directory where my file is. So since my file is here on desktop, and this is in a CSV format, so I'll open this. If I open this, my data will be retrieved here. So if you look at this, there are 1, 2, 3, there are 11 variables, and I remember in this file there are 200 observations. So finally, when I import this data into R, I'll share the details with you. So after that, I can do a number of things here. For example, if I want to skip any particular variable, I will write the name here. Similarly, I can also do something else, but for the time being, I don't need to do anything here. So I would import. I would click on import and it will import data. So you see the data is here. This is again the same variables that I just showed in CSV format. So there are 11 variables 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And as I mentioned, there are 200 observations. So let me, yeah, there are 200 observations. And the same thing is also confirmed in the global environment here in this place in the environment area. This shows the file name, that is HSB. HSB means household survey, high school beyond survey. High school beyond survey. This is a survey of 200 schools, and there are 11 variables. So this is the name of the file that I just imported, and this is the view. And finally, this shows the script that has been used here. Now I would like to save this file. So let me go to, I can also do Control S, new file. This file name is R script, and here I will give the name, and that is HSB2. So I also save this file by the same name in R, and this extension is for R. So if I do this, it will be saved. So let me check this in history, and it says yes, these are the various scripts that have been used, and this file was just saved. No, this is and finally I can also look for the name of this file. This is HSBR. So the next thing is how to remove this file. I can remove this file like this, and here I would click on broom. So this will ask me, are you sure you want to remove all objects from the environment? This operation cannot be undone. So yes, everything is gone. Similarly, if I cross this, everything will go. Okay, so everything is gone. And finally, the file that I showed it here, I can also remove this. And if you want to clear this area in the console, you just click on Control L, and it will be removed. So this is how we can delete files. Similarly, if I want to delete this and this and this from here, it will go. And this was the file that I just saved here. So if I click on this, it may open. So here the file has been opened, and if I click on this, here it will be viewed in this console area. So my dear students, this is how we can import data, how can we save data, how can we remove variables and things like that. So I hope this is simple to understand. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comments below this video, and I would like to answer my level best. If you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, kindly do subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon so that you can get timely notifications about my other videos that I'll upload for you. Thanks a lot for